Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a garlic omelette. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan ready, along with a small bowl and a whisk. These basic items are all you need to create a delicious and easy meal in minutes. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Start by finely mincing your 2 cloves of garlic. This ensures the garlic flavor is evenly distributed throughout your omelette. Next, crack your 2 large eggs into a small bowl. Whisk them vigorously until they are light and slightly frothy. This aeration helps create a fluffy texture. Finally, add a pinch of salt and pepper to your whisked eggs for a foundational layer of flavor. It's time to cook. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is shimmering, add your minced garlic. Sauté it gently for about 30 seconds, just until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to let it brown. Then, pour your whisked eggs into the pan. Let them cook undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes until the edges begin to set. Once the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist on top, it's time to fold. Gently slide your spatula under one side of the omelette and fold it over to create a perfect half-moon shape. Cook for just another 30 seconds to a minute, allowing the center to finish cooking to your preference. Then, carefully slide your delicious garlic omelette onto a plate. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your easy and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.